We are going to start with the new course in Java, that is Java courses for ICSE 9th and 10th. So welcome to Coding with Ranjana in order to begin with the new Java course. In this, we are going to learn about Introduction to Java and BlueJ. So it is a Java basic course for students of grade 9th and 10th from ICSE board. The contents that we are going to cover in this session are Introduction to Java, compilation process of Java code, Java compiler, interpreter and JVM, Introduction to BlueJ IDE, working with the BlueJ. We are going to have a short quiz and please write the answers in the comments below and recap of the session. Learning objective of today's sessions are we are going to, by the end of the session, you will be able to define what is bytecode and JVM. You can describe the compilation process of Java program using how to use BlueJ IDE. You will learn that also in this session. And we will learn a sample code, how to write and execute the sample code. In order to begin with the Java introduction, let us see Java is a high-level language. It is an object-oriented programming language. So Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling in 1995. It is a platform independent. The code written once, it can run in any platform. So it is called as write once, run anywhere. That is VORA. Java code is compiled into bytecode that runs on Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine is also a software which is running on different platforms. For different Java platforms or for different operating systems, we are having different JVMs. So JVM is an interpreter. Now let us learn about the compilation process of Java. So when you write a Java program, it is called as a source code. So Java is a high level language. The code that you have written in Java is known as source code and its extension is .java. Now once you compile the program, so this Java program is compiled into its respective bytecode and the extension of the bytecode is .class. And JVM is running the .class program and is giving you the output. So JVM for different operating systems are different. And JVM is reading your code line by line and executing them in order to give you the output. A compiler converts Java source code into bytecode. It means a program that you have written in Java having extension .java is converted into bytecode and the extension of bytecode is .class. JVM is interpreting bytecode for operating system. So JVM is a Java virtual machine. It is a software layer on underlying which their various operating systems are there. So for different operating system, different JVMs would be there. And this feature is making Java a platform independent language. Let us see the compilation process of Java. So you being the programmer, once you write a program, so say for instance, this is a Java program and its name is hello.java. So this is called as source code. So the Java program that you have written is a source code in Java. It is compiled by Java-C compiler. So Java-C compiler is compiling the code and it's creating the code whose extension is .class. So it is a bytecode. So hello.class is a bytecode of hello.java program. Now then this bytecode is interpreted by JVMs. Now different people can have different operating systems on their machines. So if Windows operating system is there, so operating system is underlying in this machine and this bytecode is interpreted by JVM for Windows and it in turn creates a machine code which is executed by the uh, computer or by the compiler. So here this compiler is creating, so Java-C compiler is creating a .class program and this program that hello.class is executed by Java different JVM, Java virtual machines. So Java virtual machine for Windows is executing for Windows operating system. So JVM for Linux is executing the code for Linux operating system and so forth for Mac OS or other operating systems also. So here you will observe that in this entire compilation process, the program that you have created is this and its extension is .java. Now which is in turn is compiled by the compiler and you get a .class code that is called as bytecode. So bytecode is having an extension .class. So this is a bytecode and this is a program. Now this bytecode is executing by different JVMs and it's because of this JVM Java is platform independent language. Now, what is Java compiler, interpreter, and JVM doing? So Java compiler is translating a source code to bytecode. The extension of the source code is .java and the extension of bytecode is .class. The Java interpreter is JVM. So JVM is a Java interpreter. It is a virtual machine which is executing bytecode line by line. An interpreter is executing the code line by line. So Java has both compiler and interpreter. Then JVM. What is the JVM? So JVM is providing a platform independence and memory management system. So JVM is a layer underlying which various operating system, which is so JVM is creating a or you can say is interpreting the bytecode, and that in turn is executed by the operating system. Introduction to BlueJ. So BlueJ is an integrated development environment which is used for Java programming language. It helps beginners to write, compile, execute the Java programs in an easier manner. So BlueJ is an IDE. This IDE is called as integrated development environment because it is allowing you to create or edit the code. You can compile the code and then you can execute the Java code in an easy and faster manner. Let us see the demo in using BlueJ. So in order to work with BlueJ, you have to click on Open BlueJ. You're just going to open the BlueJ and you will create a new project named My First Program, or you can create any project, or you can even work on the existing project workspace also. It allows you to create a new class. Okay, so you can create a new class named as Hello, write and compile the first Java program into it that we will be seeing it. We will type the code and we'll execute it, and then run the program in order to see the result. So currently I'm opening the BlueJ and I'm creating right now this is the program that is already created, so I can delete. Yeah. Now let us create. See, this is already a workspace which is open. It's a project workspace, that is RS Java project. So it's already open. So if you want to create a new project workspace, you can click on new project under the project tab. Now, since this project is already existing, so I'm working on new class. The name of the class I'm giving as hello. And it's a Java programming language we are using, and we are creating a class. So click on OK. Now, this is a compiled version of program. So numbers is a compiled version of class numbers, and hello is uncompiled. So it is showing like this. You open the editor and correct the code. Now, usually we can click on Control A and we can delete the entire thing. And then you can start coding. So you can write public class hello. Now, the moment you open this curly bracket, it's curly close already created. Then you can have public static void main. In this, you can write string args. This is not compulsory. You can keep this blank also. You don't have to write. This is not compulsory. Then then you can write system. You have to keep the system as a class, so keep the first letter capital. So system.out stands for monitor dot print ln. So print ln is a method which is going to display what you want to show. So here I'm writing hello students. Then in the new line I can write /n welcome to Java program. now then so I have created a small code. This is the first code. Okay, and if you compile the code, you click on compile. So after the compilation, it will show that class is compiled and no syntax error. So after the compilation process, right now this code is having an extension .java. After compilation, the extension of the code becomes class. So right now this is hello.java, and after compilation, you will get a bytecode that is named as hello.class. Now you close this and you click on this. So this is your hello.class program. Now you click on this void main in order to run this. So you just simply click on this OK. So you get the output window. So you will see the terminal. In this terminal, so previously I executed this program, so I'm having this output. Now you can just click on clear screen at method call so that the previous results will not remain. Now again you click on this hello class and select void main, click on it. So it will be executing, it will be calling the main method. So hello.main method is going to be called. Now click on OK. So you will get the terminal window, which is the output screen. Now this is the result. Hello students, welcome to Java program. So this is a terminal window in which you can see the results or the output of the code that you have created. So you will see that, see here, this is right now, this is an editor. If you click on editor, so this is an editor. In this editor, you can write the code, then you can compile the code. After the compilation, you can close. Then you can click on run. So since I have already executed the code, so I'm opening the terminal window. So this is my output window. So you will find that why this is called an IDE, because editor, the compiler, and the runtime environment, all of them are in the same platform. So this is called as an integrated development environment, and its name is BlueJ, in which you can run the Java program. So this is how you can create a program in this. Let us have a quick session of quiz based on what you have learned previously. And please write the answers to this quiz in the comments below. So write, what is the main purpose of JVM? So JVM is Java Virtual Machine. And what is its purpose? It writes program, compile code, execute bytecode, or debug code. So answer to this is, it is executing the bytecode. Which component converts Java source code into bytecode? JIT compiler, Java compiler, interpreter, or BlueJ? So answer to this is Java compiler. Next question is, which of the following is not the part of the Java platform? Java Virtual Machine, JVM, Java Development Kit, JDK, IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and JRE is Java Runtime Environment. So JVM, JDK, and JRE all are related to Java platform. So the answer to this is IDE. BlueJ is an IDE. And in this, which is not the platform of Java, so IDE is not a platform of Java. The Java file is converted into which file after the compilation? So after the compilation, what is the extension of the java.java file? .exe, .class, .jar, and .zip. So answer to this question is .class. The last question, what is BlueJ mainly used for? Video editing, web designing, Java programming, and game development. So BlueJ is mainly used for creating Java programming. Let's have a quick recap. Java is a platform independent language because of the presence of JVM. The compiled version of Java code is called bytecode. The compiled version of Java code is called bytecode. JVM is a virtual machine. It is basically a software. It is not a hardware machine. JVM executes bytecode. So a bytecode is line by line translated by JVM, and which in turn is executed by the underlying operating system. BlueJ is an IDE that helps to create, edit, compile, and execute Java code. So BlueJ is an editor, as well as it is allowing you to compile and test the code also. So BlueJ is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. I hope all the points are clear to you. Thank you. And in our next lesson, we will learn about the variables and data types in Java. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends too. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.